ESR Stylus Pen for iPad. So this is their Digital Pencil Pro that actually has magnetic wireless charging, which makes it super quick and easy to give it a charge up. This has dual ends on it. So one end of it is very smooth and precise and pen-like that can allow you for kind of precision, complete lines, no legs, and just really feels natural as you would with a pen or pencil on paper. Just open up my notes here and you can really see the tilt sensitivity on it. You can shade or just really get the angle that you want by having your hand comfortable against the screen. So it's got full palm rejection support too, which is great, especially if you are a left-handy. You can scroll with this end, or you can go to the more nub end, almost like where an eraser would be, and use it that way as well. And as you can see, magnetic sticks to the top there. Check your compatibility to make it sure it works with your devices. Check it out.